Raj Bhawan niksngi kala raike yak Rashtriya Ekta Divas lanik National Unity Day ha Dorbar Hall Shillong ban kanmau burom yak sngi kha jung Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel habakren hagani sngi ulat kajla CH Vijay Shankar ulayro ik pulit kajla Mikhalia ki BSF ki CRPF ki nong hikai bat ki khna school ki balawan bani shimanta ha kani sngi ka bakrau ula ongru ba ki kam ki bakrau ki ba Sardar Patel ulale kalong nak benta ka jingmantoy jong ki pajba hakaba baro kitibu kum u Iron Man of India ubalate badwanra ya ka jingetli jongkari baro kawe bat khamtam ban lumlang ya kisim ke baper bat banwanra hapo kawe ki shatri bat ban kantiuru ya kayo kakot jongkari nagaleng ulat ulakantu ki nong song snong jongkari bakin long ki bapet ngor na ki jingsneo ki bawan amtang na sabar jongkari hanrei hapadeng jongiru kidon ke batmu ban penjot bat ban penpra ya kajing yatli Vijay Shankar ula ai kajing ro yo menteri rang ba lu khari Narendra Modi ba lang ba ka jong u man la kasnam la rakhe ya kani kasngi pakarpang kata ka National Unity Day ha kaleng kari India
solemnly pledge that I dedicate myself to preserve the unity, integrity, and security of the nation, and also strive hard to spread this message among my fellow countrymen. I take this pledge in the spirit of unification of my country, which was made possible by the vision and action of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. I also solemnly resolve to make my own contribution to ensure internal security of my country. Thanks to all of you.
Respected officers, member of the Central Armed Force, Meghalaya Police, teachers, dear students, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me great pleasure to be here today on this occasion to celebrate Rashtriya Ekta Divas. The birth anniversary of Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. When we remember the name of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, some of our teachers during I think our school days, they have told we people one thing. Probably you are very much aware of such things, and usually now we used to see the incidents not only outside the border, but are the incidents taking place within the country also. Our teacher, by that time only I think probably 40 years back, don't you think that only enemies outside the border, don't you think that our enemies only outside the border, even inside the border also, within us also, many enemies are there. If at all we are not aware of them, our unity and integrity, that threat always remains. This is what our teacher long back they have been told. Enemies not only outside the border, even within also. By seeing day-to-day incident, what is happening within ourselves, that also seriously we have to think. Not only in the border, not only outside the border, within the border also. Because many of them, they do not tolerate progress of our country. unity of our country. So it is our duty ultimately to maintain the unity and integrity, not only unity and integrity, the decorum and dignity of Bharat Mata. It is our duty to restore it. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Patel was not only a great administrator but also a man of integrity and boldness, who believed that India's strength lies in its unity. Through his determination and leadership, he integrated more than 560 princely states into one nation, including our Mysore also. Because I am coming from Mysore, including Mysore also. Laid the foundation for unity, stability, and progress as a nation. His diplomacy, courage, and clarity of vision ensured that India remained united as one sovereign nation. It was because of his decisive leadership of Sardar Patel that terrorists spread across the diverse region, culture and history came together to form a cohesive nation. Sardar Patel's historic work in national integration is rightly considered one of the greatest political achievements of the 20th century. Understanding that good governance was the backbone of national unity, Sardar Patel established the All India services, including IAS, IPS, IFS, to serve as instruments of a national cohesion and administrative excellence. He believed that these services would provide continuity, stability, and uniformity in governance across the country. His famous words, calling the civil services the steel frame of India, reflects his deep conviction that a united nation must be supported by a disciplined, dedicated, and merit-based administrative system. Today, these institutions continue to uphold his legacy by serving the nation with integrity and commitment. Under the inspiring leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, Rashtriya Ekta Divas is being celebrated across the nation to reaffirm our commitment to Ek Bharat, Shreshtha Bharat, a vision of national integration, inclusive growth and collective progress. Our state of Meghalaya is known for its rich culture, diversity and spirit of unity, is deeply embedded in our traditions. The people of Meghalaya have always upheld the very ideals of Sardar Patel. This value of peace, mutual respect and existence. Unity does not mean uniformity. It means celebrating our differences while standing together for a shared purpose, which is the progress of our great nation. Let us commit ourselves to work together for a stronger and more prosperous India. May the spirit of national unity continue to guide us towards peace, development, and a bright future of Meghalaya and for India. Thanks to all of you. Kuble, Mitela, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.